morning, student. In assignment number 3 of social studies, I had given you some definitions. The large land masses are called continents. We have discussed yesterday also, we wrote the name of the continents, and the large water bodies are called oceans, and on that too also we wrote in the assignments the name of the oceans. Now we will write the definitions of the different things like globe. Now what is the globe? Globe is the model of the earth. The second one was map. A map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. This is the definition of map. Third one was scale. The scale of a map is the ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map. Number D, physical map. Physical map shows the physical features of a place such as mountain, plateaus, plain, deserts, rivers, etc. Political map shows continents, countries, states and their capitals. These are the definitions which were given to you from lesson 1. Now question number 2 was complete the sentences. Now what was it? The first one was a map is more convenient. Convenient means we can use it, we find it comfortable to use. Why? Why maps are more comfortable than globes to use than a globe? Because it is drawn on paper. Now globe is a model and we have to carry it. Sometimes it is difficult to carry wherever you are going because it is a model and it is not convenient, not easy to carry wherever you are going. But maps are convenient because they are drawn on paper. You can fold it. There are books of map called atlas which you can easily carry wherever you are going. It can be folded also. Now the second one was we can easily find other directions on a map. Why we can find the directions on the map easily, other direction? Because one direction is already given to you. Which one is given to you? Yes, it is north, and north is sometimes written also and sometimes it is marked with an arrow. So if you know north is marked with an arrow, so naturally if you know north you can find the opposite one is south. The right hand side will be east and the left hand side will be the western direction. Now the third one was given to you was symbols. Symbols are drawn on maps because why symbols are drawn? Because there is not enough space on map to show all the details. All the details cannot be shown, but we want the information of many things, so they are shown as symbols. Student, the next question was question number 3. Why we cannot always use a globe to study the earth? Now the answer is we cannot always use a globe to study the earth because you already know it. We just revise. A large globe is difficult to carry around. Means if it is a large globe, you have seen in the school we carry it, but from home to other places or to school it is always very difficult to carry if it is a large globe. Now a globe can't show all the details of a place, as you all know that each and every details. If you take the globe, you will not find Bharuch there because they will show you India, but India's important cities will be shown. Each and every details cannot be shown in a globe because it's a model, and in that model in a small place it is difficult to show each and every place of the earth. Number C is we can't make a globe for a part of the earth. Like we have the map of continent, like we can have a map of North America, South America, Asia, Australia, or countries like India, Bangladesh, Japan, China, or even a city or a town like Bharuch or Palej or anything. But a globe cannot be made like this apart. You have to see as a whole. And the last point is only one half of the earth can be seen at a time because it is moving, it is rotating, it can be rotated as the earth rotates around the sun. So only half portion you can see, the other half if you want to see you have to turn, but map is on a flat surface, so you can see together everything. So these are the few points why globe can't be used always to study the earth. And the last question was, children, question number 4 was a drawing where you had to draw a globe. I know that you have all drawn the globe beautifully. You are good in drawing and you must have enjoyed the drawing.